fail. Doing this.
Alright, action.
Wait. Go again. Oh god, I farted. Okay. Go. What am I supposed to say?
Sweet, I want to sneeze with you.
Do I have to do this?
Yeah. Action.
I'll want to sneeze with this.
Action.
I would like to sneeze with this $3 purchase of bread. Hayden, don't put the gun in his face. Okay. You're right there.
Yeah.
Hey, get the fuck
Action.
Okay.
You were doing it good.
I want to sneeze. Sweet. Sweet. I want to sneeze with you after I take a piss.
That would have been great, but I think he was laughing during it.
Damn it.
Don't laugh.
I want to sneeze.
Action.
I want to sneeze with you. Oh.
Action. Action.
How many times did you say that?
2.
Shut up. What the fuck?
Action.
Kill him.
How come every skit turns out like this today?
Hey, get the fuck up. Is this where we're in? We're gonna censor that out, aren't we?
Action. Action. Lewis? Lewis. I was gonna...
I have to.
Lewis.
Lewis. Go back. Yeah. Okay.
No, Hayden.
Okay, do you need any help? I'm back. He's shady. He's shady.
No.
Oh, did I do that too soon?
Yeah.
Action. You're gonna kill me. You're right there.
Yeah.
So,
Just look at my knee.
your knee's hot. Can I name it Bobo? Okay. Do it like they do it on Discovery Channel. That's my... Stop it.
Kill my family.
I can't see your tissues. Okay. There they are.
Yeah, maybe you can...
Oh shit, there's some boogers on there. Action.
You're holding it?
Yeah. Oh, he has his gun now.
I shook up myself.
Okay. We're not jacking off, we're sneezing. Need help. Fuck. Sorry about that, I wish that I shook up. Is he leaving? What are you doing? What are you doing? What is he doing?
Is he making a joint?
Yeah. Hey, don't shit. Go. Good job. Yeah.
Come on,
What is
man.
that, Hayden?
What is that?
Hey.
The mafia, nail salon.
Go shut up. Okay.
Boom.
What? He has his gun pointed to him, motherfucker.
Whoa. Whoa.
Well, hold on.
Alright.
Alright, where am I looking at?
My dick? Why are you looking up here at?
Whoa, that's your dick.
Whoa.
My dick or?
You go.
Whoa. 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 That's kind of cool. What is he doing?
Alright. I'll fucking kill myself. Alright.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
We'll just say it more rapidly, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, action.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I've missed.
You can't breathe. I know. Kill me.
Alright.
Do it now.
What the fuck was
I think I should smell my neck, too. That's a... Bruh.
Why aren't you saying your line yet?
Ah!
Lewis, why aren't you saying your line?
Ah!
Shh. There's a gate.
That's sleepy.
Yeah, what the f... What?
He's like, shh. That's
Action.
Whoa.
Action.
Whoa. Whoa. Red rum. Phoenix, that was supposed to be serious. Whoa. Whoa. Red rum. Whoa. Whoa. Murder. Whoa. Phoenix.
Action.
Whoa. Whoa.
Never let go, Jack.
Action.
Whoa. Whoa.
Hey,
Action.
I was breathing.
Action.
Whoa. Whoa. I think we have two different ideas. Red rum.
Fucking it up.
You're fucking it up this time.
Such an emo.
Whoa. Whoa. I just look
Action.
at you and you're like, rah, 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 with your
Action.
mouth. There's more than is in my mouth. Whoa. I think he killed me. I really do. And you don't kill me. Whoa.
Whoa.
Sucks so much, dude. Alright. Action.
This is the guy who lives in his closet. Very punny. Very punny.
Alright. Action.
Possessed like the devil.
Wow.
Right after that, I was gonna do it, Phoenix.
I
was gonna do it right.
What the fuck is that?
Why are there two?
How to pee.
This is hurting my back. Like the little boy in my mouth. Hey, that was loud. I'm gonna kick you in the nuts.
I love you.
You just broke my face.
Action.
I thought you meant like, don't shove it up my ass.
Action. Hayden, get out.
Hey, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
What the hell are you doing there?
I'm getting some toilet paper.
Why?
I got it so I can sneeze into it.
Sweet, I'll sneeze with you. But first I gotta take a piss. Right here.
Hey.
Is this where we're sneezing?
Yeah, close the door.
Alright.
Hey. Are you ready to sneeze?
Can we sneeze together?
Yeah, maybe you can even help me sneeze. Let's go to the appropriate sneezing website.
Help.
Alright, I'm ready to sneeze.
Whoa. 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 I think we have two different ideas.